Okay, everyone, I have to tell you, I was cautiously optimistic about this particular recipe because you're putting raw meat on bread. Who does that? You guys know I've said that I have 101 ways to use a tortilla shell in a recipe. Well, recently someone has come up with 102 ways to use this in a recipe by using it in a burger taco. And today, you guys, we are going to try to replicate that recipe by making it our own kind of special. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And now that you are joining me, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing the subscribe button below. And also remember to give this video a like and a share. So you guys, everything that I'm going to be using today to put this together is right here in front of us. So without further ado, come in close and let's make this viral TikTok burger taco together. Okay, everyone, the first thing that we're going to do is season this meat. So this is ground turkey. Of course, if you prefer ground beef, you do exactly that. So I'm going to start with, and of course you put the seasonings in to your liking. There are no hard cast rules when it pertains to this. So a little salt, a little pepper, garlic powder, and I've got some taco seasoning here because I want these burgers to have a lot of good flavor. And again, ground turkey has a tendency to be relatively bland. Okay, guys, and that will do it. What we're gonna do now is bring over our shell. And put this meat on top. And spread it out. And spread it even so that way it will cook evenly. And we now have the beginning of our burger taco. And what we do next, you guys, is bring this over to our skillet and we're gonna proceed to cook it until it's done. And I will see you guys at the stove. Okay, everyone, our cast iron griddle here is preheated. I'm just gonna put a little bit of fat because again, I'm using ground turkey, which is pretty lean. And what we want to do is to take this and put it meat side down. Like that. And we're going to give this about, I guess, maybe 2 minutes and check it just to see if that meat is cooked all the way through. And if it is, you guys, then we're going to go on to the next. See you soon. All right, it has been 2 minutes. So I am going to gently lift this. Oh. Okay, guys, not quite there. As you can see, they still have a little raw right there in the center. I don't know if that's coming through on the video, but the edges are definitely getting brown. But right there, yeah, we need some more time. Okay, everyone, this is hot and that meat is ready. So let's go ahead and see if we can flip this without making a mess. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. Wow, look at that. Okay. All right. As you can see, it shrunk too. Okay, so now at this point, it's time to go ahead and turn this down some. Okay, at this point, it's time to go ahead and layer on our toppings. So we're going to smother this with some cheese. Go ahead and let this melt. And at the same time, it's gonna give the other side of the shell the opportunity to crisp up some. All right, guys, this is melted. Let's go ahead and finish our toppings and put some onions on it. I'm going to turn off this burner too. Okay, we've got onions, we've got some lettuce, pickles, and tomatoes. Okay, and I'm going to bring this on over to the table, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put together a quick sauce. See you there. All right, everyone, take a look at that. All right, so now for our sauce, I am going to do a little bang bang sauce. If I can avoid getting this hot sauce all over me, which, hold on a second, you guys. Okay, I am back. Little technical issue. So I'm gonna put some mayonnaise, very simple sauce, you guys. I've got the mayo, I've got some rice vinegar, and I'm just eyeing it, and some Sriracha sauce. Give this a mix. All right, let's give this a taste. That's good. The perfect amount of heat. And then I'm just gonna drizzle some of this on top of my taco. And you guys, this is ready. Okay, everyone, I have to tell you, I was cautiously optimistic about this particular recipe because you're putting raw meat on bread. Who does that? But at any rate, and I was optimistic because there were so many rave reviews about this recipe. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. I don't know if it's gonna pass the full test, you guys. Oh. Okay. It's coming together. It actually came together. All right. Now for the taste. And this is going to be another one. This is messy, but I don't care. Meals. See what I told you? You guys, this thing is good. I have to tell you, the only thing that I would have to monitor the next time I make it is the temperature of the griddle. I have a hot spot and a cool spot, so it didn't cook as evenly as I wanted it to, so I had to leave it on a little bit longer, which is why you got like the extra brown on the shell itself. But other than that, you guys, this thing is really good. I'm very pleased with this. Give it a try. And let me know in the comments if you did and what you did to it to make it your own kind of special. Again, I use ground turkey because that's what my husband and I prefer versus ground beef. I made sure I season it really, really well. Put the toppings up here of my choice, which happen to be cheese and onions and lettuce and tomatoes and pickles, and a little bang bang sauce. It had a little zest to it. But this thing is really, really good, you guys. Again, please do give it a try. And also remember to give this video a like and share. And please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. And remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. As a matter of fact, again, I'm calling this the 102 ways to use a tortilla shell. I'm going to come to you real soon with 103 because I saw this phenomenal recipe, chimichanga from Papa G's, that I'm going to be bringing to you guys real, real soon. Cannot wait to bring that to you. Thank you guys again for joining me. And remember to keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And enjoy.